customer's on his way to pick up this beautiful wild track. Now the wild track's finally done. The other video we had the Raptor, Ranger, we've seen the XLT PX3, and we've seen the wild track PX3. Today we've got this customer that's come all the way from Mossman to get his car done. We're gonna be doing an AutoCraze 2-inch lift, the rival bar, the Warhammer grill. We're also gonna be wrapping it up with the BFG KO2s, but we're gonna be dressing it up with a different style of wheel. We're gonna be doing the KMC Grenade OR, the new color that's come out. Now we're also gonna be putting a winch, an underbody on this, and what we're gonna do to match up the underbody is we're gonna be doing the bash plate, the rival bash plate in the gunmetal grey. We're also gonna be doing the recovery points in gunmetal grey. Let's go guys, I wanna show you how we're gonna do Hilux today.